Simultaneous equations. Let's solve for the given variables. So we have a slightly different kind of problem here, and we'll get to that when we actually start to solve the problem. What we have to find out is the value of x and the value of y. Now for both equations they are the same value. Okay, so we start solving them like this. First of all, when we look at this, we would normally look here to see if there are the same number of y's in both. There aren't in this case. So what we have to do is we have to get the coefficient in front of the y the same. So in order to get 2y for this top one, we would have to multiply the top equation by 2. So we can do that. So instead of 3x, we'll have 6x, because we're going to multiply the whole equation, right, by 2. That'll be plus 2x equals 32. Okay, so now we can start to solve. We can see here that it's 6x plus 2y equals 32. We're going to number our equations, so that's equation 1, that's equation 2. We're essentially going to take equation 2 away from equation 1. So let's do that. So 6x minus 2x is 4x. 2y minus 2y is nothing, so that cancels out. And on the right hand side we've got 32 minus 8, well that's 24. So we can now solve for x. So this is multiplied by 4, so we're going to divide by 4. I used the fraction bar for divide. And on this side it's 24 divided by 4. We have to do the same to both sides to keep the whole equation balanced. And then this cancels out and it leaves us with x. So that's a good thing. We want x by itself. And then 24 divided by 4 is 6. So we now know the value of 6, and now we're going to find out the value of x by substitution. So let's take either one of these equations. Let's go with 2x. Okay, so 2x plus 2y equals 8, remember? So we're going to substitute in the value of x, so it's going to be 2, and we'll substitute in, we know what the value is, it's 6 plus 2y equals 8. So let's tidy this up a bit and simplify. That's 12 plus 2y equals 8. Let's take away the constant. We have to do it to both sides, so let's do that. That cancels out, leaves us with 2y. On this side it leaves us with minus 4. Multiplied by 2, so we divide by 2 to cancel it. We always do the opposite, right, to cancel. So divide by 2. That cancels out, that leaves us with y. It's a positive y, which is what we want, and negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So now I know the value of y. And so the final answer is x equals 6 and y equals negative 2. Done.